Hello students, welcome back to Vihan Pratik Institute of Education and welcome back to online mathematical classes. I am your facilitator M. Shiva Kumar. We are discussing chapter 9 application of trigonometry in real life or real life examples and exercise 9.1. In last class we have discussed problem number 3. In this class we will discuss problem number 4. The problem number 4 states that the angle of elevation to the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Okay, so here the picture is given. So what we need to do, we need to find the height of the tower which is h. Okay, now some angle is given. Okay, now we'll consider a real life or real time example. Let's assume this is the point of observation on the ground and it is a camera. Now what is the job of this camera? The job of this camera is to click the pictures of birds which sit on top of the tower. So let's assume this is top of the tower and let's assume birds sits here. So the camera, what it will do, as soon as the bird sits here, the camera clicks its picture. Now how it is doing? It is doing by continuously monitoring its lens from this point to this point. Let's assume this point is A to C. Since it is seeing a point from A to C, it is called as line of sight. So the meaning of line of sight is continuously seeing in one direction. And this camera is some 30 meters away from the bottom or foot of the tower. So this distance is called as horizontal distance. Camera is at this point. It is looking at top of the tower. Camera is at this point. It is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. So when these two lines are joined at this point, an angle is made. So this angle is called as angle of elevation. The meaning of angle of elevation is looking upwards. So when you look upwards with certain angle, such angle is called as angle of elevation. Now here the question is to find the height of the tower. So let's write down first what is given, solution. What is given here? It is given that angle of elevation meaning angle when we look upwards is 30 degrees. Then horizontal distance is given. The horizontal distance is the distance between camera and the foot of the tower. So we'll write it as horizontal distance between, or horizontal distance is equals to 30 meters. Now what we need to find out? We need to find out the height of tower. So let's draw this picture in our right angle triangle like this. So this point is A, the point of camera. This point of B, foot of the tower, and this point of C is the top of the tower. So we need to find out this height. Let's assume this as h. The distance between A and B, horizontal distance, is given as 30 meters. We know we have three trigonometric ratios. One is sine theta, which is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Second one is cos theta, which is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. The third one is tan theta, which is equals to opposite by adjacent. Now here we don't know hypotenuse. No need to find out because we have a trigonometric ratio called as tan theta. Now in tan theta, what we have? We have opposite and adjacent. Adjacent is given. We need to find out opposite. That's it. Very simple. So consider the trigonometric ratio tan theta, which is equals to opposite by adjacent. Here opposite is opposite, side opposite to the angle, measuring angle 30 degrees. Is this BC divided by adjacent side, the side adjacent to the measuring angle, which is 30, AB. So tan theta, theta is 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees equals to BC, BC is 30 degrees divided by, BC is not given, BC is H, divided by AB, AB is 30 degrees. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals to H by 30, which will equal to H equal to 30 by root 3. Now multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So into root 3 by root 3, which will equal to 30 root 3 divided by 3. So 3 cancel, 3 tens are 30, which will equal to 10 root 3 is the answer. So the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meters. Okay, this is the answer. If we want accurate answer, then we need to substitute the value of root 3, which is 1.732, which will now, which AC will equal to 10 into root 3, which will equal to 10 into 1.732, which will equal to 17.32 meters is the accurate answer. Please go through the video, students. Do it by yourself. Verify it. Do it. If you get any doubt, please comment me, text me. I hope all of you have understood this. Thank you, students.